Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Tasty O's e-liquid line by Shijin Vapor. Tasty O's is manufactured in San Jose, California in an ISO 8 clean room facility. The line is a 70 VG 30 PG blend, available in 100 milliliter bottles and 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Frosted O's is honey nut oat cereal, combined with a coating of sweet powdered sugar. The smell is top notes of honey nut oats. For the inhale, I get sweet sugary notes, with honey nut oats lingering on the exhale. Banana Nut O's is bananas, walnuts, and honey grain oats, coated in sweet powdered sugar. This is my favorite flavor of the review. I get mostly sweet ripe banana for the smell. Both the inhale and the exhale are a sweet, fresh, and creamy banana flavor with light hints of oats on the finish. Berry O's is honey grain oat cereal, covered with berries and powdered sugar. For the smell, I get a mix of sweet and tart berries. The inhale is sweet powdered sugar. The exhale is tart berries blended with honey oats. Tasty O's is a delicious blend of that famous honey nut cereal, combined with sugary fruit flavors. Frosted O's is great, but personally, I could use a little more frosted on the O's. Banana Nut O's is a delicious creamy banana vape. And Berry O's has a great sweet tart blend going on, my second favorite of the review. Overall, a delicious cereal dessert line. Tasty O's currently runs $27.99 per 100 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to try the line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.